How's it going, guys? We're here today with Amsoil deep cleaning additive, performance improver, fuel additive. Um, they recommend you use this stuff every 4,000 miles. Treats up to 30 gallons per bottle, and it increases fuel efficiency. Um, Proven improvements up to 5.7%. Restores power and acceleration to light new conditions. Reduces emissions and helps vehicles pass emissions tests. It's seen a lot of reductions in hydrocarbon emissions, carbon monoxide, and nitrous oxide emissions. So if you live in a city or state that requires emissions tests, I highly recommend you getting this product because it's very inexpensive. It's going to save you money in the long run. It's going to save you money at the fuel pump. It also reduces engine octane requirements. So you're also going to save money there. And you're going to save a lot of money in the long run when you don't have to go to a mechanic to have your fuel system replaced, all right, or cleaned out professionally. All it takes is a bottle of this every 4,000 miles. It's going to keep your fuel system running just like brand new. All right, this is going to seriously clean your stuff out. This is not your AutoZone or gas station fuel additive. This is the real deal. All right, the difference in this and all the other products is this stuff actually works. All right, I use it myself, and I guarantee you're going to see a difference with this, as well as any Amsoil product you start using. You're going to notice differences in the way your vehicle runs. Guaranteed. Y'all have a good day.